Welcome back, YouTube. Hope you're all well. Now I know what you're thinking. This place looks awfully familiar, and you're right. Past 3 videos I've parked in that very same spot, so it's not the same video. However, I am out on the fells again, and tonight, setting off at 20 to 9 at night, just after doing a full 12-hour shift at work. Absolutely goosed. Ooh. So yeah, I'm heading off up Kaale. I'm in my nature hike Cloudpeak 2. I've backpacked some spag bol or pasta bolognese that my missus made me for my tea, a few cheeky beers, and a little bit of kin toffee vodka to see me off. So I'll get this steep bit out of the way and I'll bring you back. Might actually get a sunset tonight. We've got an hour before sunset, so I best get cracking. I've got a sweat on. So we made it to Natty Bridge in just over 20 minutes, 21 and a bit minutes, which I'm happy with. It's like 1 mile of just straight uphill walking, so with a big bag on, I'm happy with that. Where we were the other day, so you've got the big one, that's White Pike that we finished off on, and then the one on the right hand side, lower than White Pike, that's White Maiden, that's where we camped. And then tonight we're over the other side, so we're going over the top of that, back down and then back up there, I believe. I think that one's Kaale in the distance, or is that one? We'll find out when we get a bit closer, but as I say, we're chasing that sunset, so we must press on. I forgot to mention I am actually camping with someone. I'm camping with Jamie, one of my mates from work, who I did the winter sub-zero camp on top of White Pike in the snow. So he's already up there, so he wasn't at work today, so got the day off. So I'm going to meet him, have a few cans, and then I'll probably be asleep 10 minutes later. So we'll press on up here, then we'll cut off the track, try and cover some ground. I just heard a right weird sound. Spooky. I am blowing. So we're 1.5 miles in, 35 minutes, 250 metres elevation, so it's hard work when you're a fat knacker. So we're heading up there. I'm not entirely sure whether that next summit across is a false summit or that's Kaale, so we'll give it a go. We've got all night, haven't we? So I was right, it was a false summit. We're actually on top of the pikes, possibly Green Pike, but I think that is the pike, and we've got to head over that. Then the view should open out to Kaale, hopefully. What a night though. Heart of Fell, up Langdale's in clouds. Whew. I'm looking forward to a hot meal and a tinny. and to get my head down. Been up since 5 this morning. Ghost. A bit muddy. Or bog fest. So just come from down there. I thought this was the summit. I've been up here loads of times, just not for ages. That's the summit. God damn! I think we're going to be struggling for that sunset. Bugger. kind of lost momentum there. So we came off the top of Kaale last night because it was pretty windy and it was due to get worse weather during the night, so we just dropped down a little bit, found quite a nice flat pitch, and it had a lot, well, before the clag rolled in, we had a little bit of a view, and yeah, it was alright. So this morning the weather was absolutely pants, so we obviously just had a quick brew, chilled out until we got a gap in the rain, and then just headed off back. So yeah, bit of a short video really, and not much going on, so sorry it was a short one. But if you like this sort of video and you like camping videos and anything outdoors basically, please consider liking and subscribing, and I will catch you at the next one. Ta-da!